ಹೆಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಹ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟು ಆಯಿತು. ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ 4:27 ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗನೇ ಇಲ್ಲೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾನು ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನದೇ ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನದೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈಗನೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನೀಗ ನಾಳೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು, ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಹೆಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೆಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. So today I'm gonna be presenting my topic on opinion mining based fake product review monitoring and removal system. So what is fake product review monitoring and removal system? So we all know that on Amazon you see something like where did it go? Okay, on Amazon you will see a lot of reviews like there will be so many reviews like for 5 stars on different products. So a main challenge will be okay. I got a bit nervous because I'm doing it for the first time. Wait, okay, I'm not presenting it in front of ma'am yet, but I will. Okay, hello everyone, hello ma'am. So my topic for the day is opinion mining based fake product review monitoring and removal system. So first so for our agenda for the day is overview, working of fake review detection, fake review survey using machine learning approach, fake review detection using naive bias, fake review detection using random forest classifier, fake review detection using decision tree, and what are the scope and growth and what are the disadvantages, and then conclusion. So let's start with the overview. So earlier we used to like buy products going to the shop and trying out. Let's say I want to buy a shirt, I will go to the shop, clothing shop, and I will like try it out in trial room, and then if it fits me properly, if I like it, if I like the way I am appearing on those clothes, I will buy it. But as technology advanced, nowadays we are ordering clothes on sites like Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, and so many other e-commerce sites. So as technology like advanced so much, we are able to order it on our phone and it gets delivered within 3 days. Now the big challenge is we can't try out the products like we used to do when we went to our local shops. So what we do right now is we compare the prices that we normally do, but what else we do? We check reviews. We see people who already bought those dress through particular site, particular vendor, and see what experience, like what kind of product he received, and what was his experience, and did it fit well, all those stuff. So review is a main factor in for any buyer to make a buying decision. So today like our entire presentation is gonna be based on a review. So a review is so crucial. The review of a product may be positive or negative. Any company who lists their product on like e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, all those platform will make sure that their products get 5 stars, because more number of good reviews their products has, more people will buy. But another main challenge is scammers are nowadays what they are doing is they are just to sell their products more, they are like posting fake reviews. They are telling that the product is great even though their like product like quality is low. They are like telling their friends to write fake review or paying someone else to write fake reviews. So it is very difficult to identify which of them are genuine reviews, which of them are fake reviews. So customer like me and you will feel it very difficult to identify which are genuine reviews, which are fake reviews. So my project is my project talks about like how we can identify these like fake reviews from genuine reviews using machine learning approach, and how we can like train machines to like remove them. Of course we can like read each and every review and identify whether it is fake or not, but it will take years, it will take decades. A single person can't do that, or a group of person as well can't do that, because there are billions of purchasing going on every single day across different platforms. So training machine learning models to identify these fake reviews and removing is what we are talking about in this presentation. So how do we identify fake review from any e-commerce platform? Always goes to these four steps: pre-processing, data set, feature extraction, model training. Let's see a diagram. So this is a general way of how we are gonna identify and remove fake review from any e-commerce platform. So it ranges from, let's say there are so many datas on Amazon. Like in Amazon, whatever product you want to buy, it has so many reviews. So we take those reviews and we put it on data pre-processing. Then we do feature extraction and feature selection, training set, and generate classifier, classification method. We are gonna talk about this in depth in the next slide, further slide. Uh, so we are like in machine learning approach, we will be focusing on two main approaches. One is naive bias and random forest algorithm. So let's again come back to Amazon. In Amazon, what we said, we will like gather all the reviews from its product section and feed it to our like data collection model. And from data collection model, uh, an Amazon review will always have a user ID, a comment section, then a start section. So if a user is able to log in, he will definitely have his own unique user ID. He will have his own like defined text. He will give a star. So these three like are gathered. Then it is sent to like data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, all the raw data that we grabbed will be processed to remove all the exclamatory word, all the full stops, all the punctuations, and now this raw data is much more useful for further processing. Then we will send it to like feature extraction, where all this data will be like converted to number format, so that further we in model training we can use it directly. And then it is passed to model training. And in model training, uh, as we know, we were focusing on naive bias and random forest algorithm. uh, one of naive bias or random forest algorithm, we will apply it, and then we will classify this whether it is genuine or a fake review. So coming to naive bias algorithm, as we know, uh, in naive bias algorithm we will like in feature extraction, all the unique features, like the set of words a person uses, like a product is good, a product is bad, we will like separate it, and we will use it as some unique features that each comment has. And then like here in naive bias like formula, a b, then x, y, these are all data whose probability we will be seeing. And then here mu stands for mean, and sigma stands for standard deviation. And using this naive bias formula, we will be able to like decide whether a review is genuine or not. And then then we will like compare it with random forest algorithm. Before understanding random forest algorithm, we should see how a decision tree works. So using decision tree, if we want to identify a review to be a genuine or fake, what we will take an example of this decision tree. Here, a review is read. Let's say a robot will like read a review, then it will see the review has a response, because some people will just add the star but won't write anything. So if a review does not have any response, then it is a fake review. Here F stands for fake and NF stands for not fake. So it is a fake review. If let's say uh, uh, like a review has a response, and a review has a response and it has a reply, and if it does not has a reply, it becomes fake. If it has a reply, it becomes not fake. Similarly, there are different ways. For example, if we take an example of Amazon site, in order to post a review, you should have a profile. uh, there are some certain rules. So you should have a profile, you should have some buyer limit, all those stuff. So if your profile is useful, then it is not a fake review. If your profile is not useful, then Amazon will further check whether you did any past shopping, all those stuff. And if you didn't do it, then your review is a fake review. If you did it, your review is not fake review. These are all individual trees. Then in decision tree, uh, then then in review, we will see whether a review is in template format. Usually, all the spammers use a template format to write reviews. So if it falls under a template format, it is a fake review. If it does not fall under template format, it is a not fake review. Then we will see a review like a reviewer gave a less than 2 star. If it is less than 2 star, it's a fake review. If it is not less than 2 star, it is not fake review. But all these decision tree has a problem. It won't like consider multiple condition. It will only consider single condition, and that's also a disadvantage of this decision tree approach. So in order to overcome this decision tree approach, random forest algorithm came into existence. And random forest algorithm simply means many decision tree grouped together. So many conditions executed at once, like it is a random forest. So if we compare the accuracy of naive Bayes and random forest, definitely random forest is great because it checks multiple conditions. Whereas in naive Bayes it is just based on a formula and probability of a single or a few comparisons. But in case of random forest algorithm, we uh, do some assumption of like 100 plus cases. That's why it's comparatively more efficient. Then since we have like compared all these algorithms, now we see some of the disadvantage and what are the scope of growth. So as we know, there is no fixed algorithm to like always say that this is the best approach to identify this review, because every algorithm has its own advantages, has its own disadvantages. And that's why it's better that we use some kind of hybrid models of a mixture of such. But I haven't found any in my research paper where they used many hybrid models, but I think this is a way where it can be like done better. And since this process of comparison, like multiple checking, all this is very slow, we can use a graphical processing unit to uh, overcome its disadvantages. And of course, humans like me, you are very smarter, and we will like find more and more ways to cheat the system. And that's why I think this algorithm should be even like always evolving and find better ways to track these spammers. So conclusion will be like identifying fake reviews from a large data set is challenging, as we all know. We already like studied in our seventh sem big data and applications, where big data means it's a wash data, huge data. Like identifying, using that data to identify genuine reviews, fake reviews, it's very difficult. That's why business should like find best and optimal solution. The most important part of this algorithm is efficiency. So efficiency is also our like decision maker. So efficiency is not just about execution time. The efficiency algorithm is about taken for training the model and time for prediction. Then like what are the 5 papers that I use for this, and then it's thank you slide. So friends, while like uh, okay, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನು. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಂದೊಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನೀಗ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪುಡ್ಸೋದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆಪ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲಿತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಗ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ರಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟುಂಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಸಹ ಯಾರು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತೆ, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನಿದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಂದು ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾಳೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೈಸ್.